Guys, it's the little DJ and Aurelia, and today we are doing a half and half Minecraft. That means I'm going to be showing you after she does some of her turn, then I'll be doing. Wait, I just don't. No. First, I wanted to show you guys my new skin. I made it myself. I hope you like it. Do you guys like it? Comment down below. Now, first I just wanted to show you quickly through my other world. Just to show you my parkour world. I'll only be like 3 minutes, okay? Let's go. And then you have the rest of the time to yourself. So this is the start. I'm going to be in survival for this. Sorry, that was kind of easy. I just did that. Some clothes. I'm supposed to say clouds. So I got the Modern Tools texture pack on. Every time you jump on a chest, I say swim. Safe swim. Safe swim. Safe swim-alicious. So swim. It's actually like the best I've ever done at my parkour world. Ah! No! That's when I died the last time.
I thought you were in survival.
I am in survival.
You're supposed to die when you jump up really high.
But it wasn't really high, that was the thing.
Oh. Could you build anything in there? Nope. Right. I'm gonna build anything in the survival, right?
Unless you have blocks. Ah!
Why are you not talking to your loyal fans?
Because I'm doing a mad face.
No, she's not. She's doing a happy face right now. Why make it easy?
Don't block her.
You're gonna break stuff. Remember?
You can.
But how come that doesn't work?
Because it's too big of a block. I'm gonna grab some more blocks. And some water.
Can I have her now?
Not yet. Because I haven't finished the map yet. The map doesn't go for much longer.
And you're not even talking to your loyal fans? How come you always remind me and I always remind you and then I talk and you don't?
Be really careful. Finally.
Uh-oh. Whoa. You made it. What are you doing?
Getting a diamond sword.
What is that? Water?
No. Sorry about that, guys. But no.
At least you can fly up there.